Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to see call history for a specific person on iPhone. So I'll show you how you can do it. First of all, open the iPhone, or you can say the caller tab, and once you open it you will see all the lists, or you can see all the details of the contacts, the contacts. You can also go into the contacts, that's not a big deal. So you can choose the person from the contact list or the recent list. Let's say I want to choose any of the person. So you need to just click on the I button or the information button in front of the person's contact. Just click on the I button, and once you click on the I button, just scroll down. As you can see, like, you can see all those details, including the call history, which is on the second option as well. So just open the call history, and once you open the call history, as you can see all those details, all those calls that have been done to this person, along with the details, the time, and the time duration as well. So you are able to see all those details. But for some reason, if you're not able to see it, that is because you might be using the older version of the iOS. You can see this option on the iOS 26, but not on the iOS 18 or any lower version. If you're using iOS 26, you will be able to do it. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.